Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car with me, James. Excuse me. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to show you some of the major talking points and features. Then of course we'll slowly make our way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there, again we'll go through some of the major talking points and features. So this vehicle, as you can see, is presented in the very special Alpine white, and alongside that we fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, which in contrast with that Alpine white makes for a very striking all-round package. At the front of the car you'll see it is a 2018 18 plate, so we do of course have that full facelift. Alongside that, the vehicle is equipped with BMW's Msport Plus pack. The vehicle sits on the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, which have just been fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. As part of the Msport Plus pack, you do get the much larger M brakes, front and rear, and of course the privacy glass, the Harman Kardon surround sound, and the heated leather front seats. And of course we'll take a look at those as we go around the car. So down the side of the vehicle you'll be able to see of course that privacy glass, the satin side vinyls, gloss black side bars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. So the interior, again, very striking in comparison, and of course in comparison, once again with that Alpine white, we've got the coral red Dakota leather, which, as I've mentioned, does come with the heated front seat option along with the electric lumbar adjustment. And there is of course that very nice Harman Kardon surround sound. And of course the coral red Dakota leather does extend onto the door cards and does make for a very nice colour combination indeed. So in the rear you do find the 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course we have the very nice black M Sport headlining as well. And I'll just show you again how well presented these 19-inch alloy wheels are, which come all the way around with premium mixed run flat tyres. And there you can see just how larger the M brakes really are. And of course both the front and rear discs are larger, along with having improved brake pads in the M brake option. At the rear you'll see the facelifted rear lights, gloss rear diffuser, and high gloss black rear spoiler. Automatic opening and closing rear tailgate, which reveals the very large boot space you find on the GRAN COUPE variant of the 4 Series. Alongside the split folding seat option makes for an extremely large boot space, and there you can see again the BMW genuine floor mats that will accompany the vehicle. So whilst that's closing down, I'll just go around to the other side, and again you'll see just how nice this vehicle really is. Especially with the sun shining through today, the Alpine white really is a very striking colour combination with of course the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. So we'll make our way on now and inside the vehicle, where yet more special items wait for us inside this car. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, straight away you'll be greeted with this very nice digital cockpit. You'll see straight away the vehicle has only covered just over 25,000 miles, and I'll go ahead and get the car started up. So the digital cockpit does of course differ quite largely from the original analog display for quite a few reasons. At the moment the vehicle's just in comfort in terms of the performance mode select. However, should we select sport, we'll get a completely different view. We also get an extremely large digital speedometer, and of course the speed will just be displayed there, and we've got the digital rev counter, which I can show you now, and the speed will be highlighted there. Again, if we go down into Eco Pro, we'll get a completely different display, and it will show us on the right hand side the charge to power consumption, and this is all for the efficient dynamics mode, to which power we're putting back into the battery for the stop start system. And again the speedo is changed once again, just highlighting up to 60 miles an hour where that system is used up to its best. Although it is a very minor difference, it does of course just make your whole experience of driving and owning a BMW 4 Series with this option all that little bit more nice and all that little bit different. Professional wide navigation and media screen, which is housing all of your of course navigation, DAB, and a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Bluetooth for not only audio as well as telephone. And at the very main menu, We've also got the Connected Drive Plus, which houses the online search, news and weather functions, which are all powered by Google and the car's own 4G network. And we'll go through and take a look at the service requirements and service status of the car. As you can see, everything is highlighted in green, and the vehicle is not due a service for 11,000 miles and does come with full BMW service history, remembering that the service intervals on the BMWs is every 20,000 miles, or of course every 2 years. And as you can see, and as we've already shown you, it's only covered 25,000 miles, so a very nice low mileage example. As always, I do hope you found this walk around video useful and enjoyed it. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where of course I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, in the description you'll find all of the relevant links and contact information for ourselves here at Your Next Car, where also you can check out this vehicle on our website should you require any information on prices and finance options. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.